So, who's the best K-pop group around? Let's go! Come on, impress us! Move over, girls. The pros are here.
My dance. Feel it in my hands. My dance.
We win! Saja Boys rule! Bye-bye, losers! Oh no! Our doll! It's broken! This is all your fault, rude Sajas! Wait, our voices! They're gone! Our voices will come back if we rebuild our giant Lucky Charm doll! That's a great idea! Let's get to work! Where'd she go? I brought the building stuff! Time to start our K-pop construction!
Lights on us, we're a firestorm glow. Turn it up, let the whole world know.
Wow! Awesome!
We're breaking the line. Step
We rock!
it's our time.
Still no voices! The doll needs a jacket, just like yours! I've got an idea! Here's a jacket, but it's tiny! Yeah, you're right. Now what? I know! Oh, perfect! One move. And done! Whoa! A giant jacket! That's the right size! But how do we lift it? It's way too heavy! Huh? Look what I got! A crane will help us! I'll lift this heavy jacket in no time! Wow, it's working! A little more? Yes! Great job, Rumi! One last touch! Jacket's ready! High five, bestie! Something's wrong with the face. What face? Huh? What do you mean? The doll needs a real face. Right now, it looks like a spooky ghost. Yeah, you're right. And I've got the perfect idea. Wow, you're a genius, bestie! Here are all the facial features we need to work with. Awesome! I'll stick them all on properly. Like this. Amazing! That's just what we needed. Oops, one eye's crooked. We need to fix that. There, now it's perfect. We did it! A braid! Of course, our doll needs a hairstyle too. Let's open our own hair salon. Let's go! Oh no! There's still so much work left! We can't do it! Wait a minute, I've got a big idea! We'll do the hairstyle fast!
Oh.
Yes! Awesome! Oops! I'll pick another mode! Wow! The hairstyle's perfect! A perfect braid! High five, stylist Rumi!
Girls, I need makeup.
Totally! But where do we get makeup? I'll grab my makeup bag. I left it in my locker. Yes. Got it. Oops! Where's all the makeup? This is harder than I thought. Huh? What's going on here? Now you'll be mine. I'm gonna steal you. Oh no! I need to save those toys. Stop right there, demon. Okay. Take your toys back. Nice.
Oh.
Are you guys okay? Hey, friends. We have to protect the weak.
Thanks for helping.
Use sandals from the demon.
We'll help you too for that.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, what are you up to, Birdie? Whoa, what's that? Wow, magic fairy dust. I wonder what it does. Whoa, a giant lipstick. Just what I need. Magic dust. Catching it. What? Oh, what's happening? Wow. Okay, got it. Catching it. Thanks, friends. You really helped me out. Look what I got. Awesome. Yes. Let's do the makeup. Oops. Are you okay? Yeah. What? What? It's our favorite song. Let's go. We need another pair of hands. Hey, girls. Great. Can you help us with the makeup? Of course. Wow, perfect! Good luck, girls! Might as well fix myself up, too. We did an awesome job. High five! Totally! The doll needs patterns on the jacket. Where do we get them? Looks like there's a hint. Thanks, Big Rumi. Oh, where am I? Guess I messed up again. Oh, what's that noise? Hey, need help? Oh my gosh, what's that monster? Ah!
Oops, didn't mean to scare you. Sorry. Give me your hand.
Okay, thanks. What are you doing in the locker?
I wanted to eat, but I couldn't find any food.
Maybe you know where I can get that pattern? Okay, I'll help you if you help me. Deal?
Deal.
Okay, I smell something. It's coming from here. Aha! Open up.
Oh no, I'll stay hungry forever.
Hold on a sec. Hi-ya! Here. Your lunch.
Tasty fish. Love it.
Not so fast. Remember our deal?
Of course. Coming right up. TroomTroom.
Oh,
Here, will this work?
thanks. Here's your fish.
Yum yum.
Good kitty. Thanks a lot. Oh, wow, it's so bright. Can't see a thing. What's that? Wow, so much stuff here. This'll come in handy. Now, how do I glue this together?
Missed us.
Oh, hi. So glad to see you, friends.
What's your mission this time?
I need to glue this together, and I don't know where to start.
Don't worry, we'll do it super fast. Troom trick.
Wow, so much energy. Awesome. Love it. Huh? What's this? I think it's not supposed to look like that. Okay, I'll have to do it myself. Here's the manual. Just need to build this mosaic by the numbers. Okay, got it. Thanks. Let's do it. Guys, tell me, where should I stick this piece? Write in the comments. Where should I put it? Here? Okay. Wow, I did it! But I need 2 of these. Troom trick! Great! Thanks for the help, guys. What? Who's crying over there?
I have nothing to eat.
Oh, poor thing. What happened?
I'm really hungry. Do you have any food?
Of course. Here's my noodles. Enjoy.
Oh, you saved me. Who needs chopsticks when you've got a beak?
Guys, always help animals. Bye, little buddy. Look what I've got. The sleeve patches are ready. Let's stick them on. Great idea. Wow. Wow. I'm alive. Hi. Oh no, I'm super hungry. Oops, what do we do? We have to feed the doll so she comes alive again. Great idea, but we need a bigger ramen. Let's supersize this bowl. Look, it's working. Oops, I think I overdid it. Still yummy. Okay, plan B, a magnifying glass. It works. Hold the noodles, Mira. I'll enlarge them. Hold it steady. There we go. Got it. Wow, you did it. So much tasty noodles. And chopsticks the right size. Here you go. Now we can feed our doll. Eat. Bon appetit. The noodles are all over the place. Great, I'm done. Look, the doll needs spiky shoulder pads.
Yes.
Totally. Let's make them. Ready? We'll cut them out of cardboard. Troom trick. Oh yeah. Let's show this cardboard who's the boss around here. It's working. Yes. What? We only made 2 spikes. That's not enough. Now what? I'm tired already. What?
Super Golobiru to the rescue!
Wow, so cool. Help us make more spikes for the jacket, please.
Okay, no problem. Coming right up.
Wow, your beak is the perfect tool. You're amazing.
Done. Here you go.
Wow. Let's add our 2 spikes. Perfect.
Always at your service.
Thanks, Golobiru. Let's stick this on the jacket. Perfect. We still need a pendant.
Oh.
Don't worry, I know where to get it. I saw something like what we needed here. Yes, this medal. That's mine. Hands off. Hi, can I borrow your medal, please? I really need it. You want my medal? Not so fast. I earned it. I'm the dancer of the year. If you want this medal, dance battle with me. Okay, challenge accepted. Music. Let's see what you've got.
I see the line. It's painted gold. The story's
Not bad. Keep going.
race unfolds. Hard-coded, the battle sound. I trip.
Oh, this beat is fire. Such a vibe. Bravo. Well done. You deserve this medal. It's yours. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Bye-bye. Good luck. Good thing I'm also the singer of the year. Okay, this goes here. Oh, Mira, are you dancing already? Arriba, Dolly, Rumi, how's it going? Look, I found a pendant just like mine. Wow, that's so cool. Let's put it on the doll right now. Wow, perfect. Whoa, it's happening. Ooh, it's so bright. My eyes. You're alive. Thanks, girls. Now I'm with you, and it's the perfect time to sing our favorite song. Let's go!
Touch me now, I'm untouchable. Feel the rush, it's unstoppable.
Wow! There they are. Whoa, our voices are back. Let's sing again. No, your voice will be mine. That's it, Hunter. Your singing days are over. We won't let you. We'll fight with that. What? This is all demon magic. I'll take your sword, sweetie. Bye. I'll chase him down. Rumi! Do you like the video? Like it, write a comment, and click on the bell to stay updated.